There are 4 CeBIT events around the world. CeBIT Hannover, CeBIT Bilisim Eurasia in Istanbul, CeBIT Asia in Shanghai, and CeBIT Australia in Sydney. Among these 4 CeBITs, CeBIT Bilisim Eurasia is number 2 after CeBIT Hannover. This year, we had a few number of changes in the fair that I'm going to inform you. We have new hall plans, new thematic sections, new forum areas, and new way of promotion. Traditionally or classically, we have basically 4 sections in the hall plan: business world, digital life, home electronics, and telecommunication. If we compare to previous years, business world section of the fair growth from 3 hall to 5 hall. This is a very specific request from the market. People wanted to make more business, but less home electronics or digital life. This means more professional activities and less popular activities, let's say so. So, there will be 4 main sections: business world, digital life, telecommunication, and home electronics. In the business world section of the fair, there will be business softwares, supply chain softwares and services, research and development technologies, telecom infrastructure, and corporate solutions. It is extremely important to inform you again that to enter the business world section of the fair, it is absolutely required to have a business card. Not everybody can enter to this section without registration. People should come, present their register card and also the business card and their ID card, then get the name tag and go in. So anybody who are interested in the technology, unfortunately, will be not allowed to go to this section. They can visit the other sections of the fair. In this business world section, there will be about 5 thematic sections we call special sections to promote the IT companies and ICT companies. The first one is small and medium industries ITs. This means that this section, small companies, very small IT companies who are going to serve to the small and medium industries take place. We have reserved place for them. They prove that they have specific software program for small and medium industries. We are accepting them in this section with a special price systems. Second, the public sector. Public sector normally related to everybody, e-government sector, e-government applications and government offices will be there. Yasat software sector is another promotion area. At this section, thematic section, the software, general software companies, especially for the big industries, going to take place. Innovation is again this year second time we are doing, and mobile business solutions are very, very popular. And maybe I'm sure in Romania too. There are 3 main operators in Turkey, and they are giving enormous amount of solutions for the users of GSM for the mobile telephones, and therefore mobile business is expanding a lot, especially in the professional business side. Homeland security is another and new, very new item in the fair. In these thematic sections, homeland security products and software are going to be displayed. This doesn't mean that we are going to demonstrate over there, we are going to reserve a place for the military application. This is totally different, and I will give you some more details about it now. This homeland security going to have a parallel section, the seminars. Seminars will cover many applications of homeland security, like transport, health, security systems, environmental security systems, forest security systems, home security systems, plus, of course, security systems in the city and the borders. This was a general request in Turkey and from the area to have a specific region in the fair, specific thematic section in the fair to show these solutions to the visitors. In 2007, we had 908 exhibitors from 20 countries. What I mean by 20 countries, individual or country pavilion applied to our company and wanted to open their stand. These are the individual companies and countries. Since we do not count Microsoft or Oracle as a foreign exhibitor, local exhibitor, these are the countries having the individual companies exhibited. We are expecting the same amount of countries this year. It looks like that we are going to have. Last year in 2007, we had visitor of 149,655. As you can see, we are not targeting to increase our visitors. Contrary, to decrease our visitors, but to increase our efficiency among the business people. Because due to the character of the fair, we are having some people who are interested in ICT technology but not in business. Naturally, they are coming to the fair and visiting the fair. We cannot refuse them as soon as they pay the money to go in and to visit the fair, except the business world. But the main idea behind CeBIT Bilisim Eurasia for the future is to create more professional-oriented, I underline, platform for the business people. Therefore, we are not targeting higher visitors. Last year, we had 1,852 press members registered, and almost the same number going to take place this year. And last year, we had 40,500 decision makers. These are the managers' business cards. And now, this year, we want to have more, 10% more decision makers to come to the fair. We are expecting visitors from 70 countries this year. Last year, we had 67. And total gross exhibition area this year again will be 60,000 square meters. We hope that we will try to create a bridge between Europe and Asia and Eurasia, and it will be the #1 bridge for the cooperation in the ICT sector to increase it from ones to millions. And business is waiting for all the companies who are willing to make business in this area.